Today we are going to look at the Ryobi 1 18 volt 5-inch random orbit sander. Whenever I can, I like to go cordless. Lithium batteries help with this. Ryobi has a wide variety of tools. Let's see how well this one performs. Out of the box. Let's see how well that works. This is nice. I'll just take. This, not important. So we have one, medium, coarse. This will be coarse. So we'll just test it out right here, right now. These are nice because they're like Velcro. Just get her on there. As you can see though, in a very short time, I was able to get this down to the original wood. See, I'll show you. Right there. And you might not see, it's pretty smooth, but I bet you it could be smoother. So I'm just going to try one more on it. Come on, for the fun of it. He's so easy to change. Wow. Where were these when I was a kid? Dang. They probably were there all along, just didn't know what. Wow, this thing is pretty powerful, really. Wow, I'll be able to do so much with this. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I mean, this thing really has what it takes. I think it's going to make working around here pretty easy. I'll try to put a couple more clips of me actually doing something. It might be pretty powerful for the walls, but along the bottoms there, some of the tougher spots, I think it'll do really nice. Anyway, my review on this, if I were to say anything, I would say it's good. It's real good. Quite handy. Man, it's so cool not having a cord. It's not even that heavy. I mean, it's really nice. This is cool. Real cool. I don't know if you can see. I probably shouldn't be making this much dust around this, but this is really coarse. It's the glue from the trim that was on there before. I would rather that not be there. It would make for a much more finer finish when I'm done with this, but it's not there. So I'm going to see if this can take care of it. it most certainly smooths it out. Yeah. All right. That is a winner. Oh man. So not only do I like it, it will actually really help me with this job. Sweet. Oh, so I decided that I need to take a break. So how long does the battery last? Well, for quite a while. Enough to get me tired, that's for sure. I sanded along the bottom of this one, as I showed before. And I went along here, did this one, trying to get around these outlets. There's years of paint here, there's all kinds of imperfections. So what I decided to do is just sand the entire wall. It wasn't really that intrusive, even with the coarse grain. It went over it really well. Took down any bumps and stuff like that. Trying to make it a little more smooth. You can see like this little gouge right here. Can't smooth that out entirely, but get some of those corners and stuff. I figured that the smoother the wall is, the better. And it kind of takes care of some of the cleaning too, even though I'll go over it with light soap and water a little later. But the battery in this thing is great. Cool. I mean, I do have the big battery. You buy the tool without the battery. Got to use one of your own. The 4 amp hour one. It's perfect. It works really well. And I believe I'm going to have a really nice, some nice looking walls as a result of this. Beforehand, I don't think that would have been the case at all. And I didn't realize all that I was going to do with this. I later decided to do the walls. And I think that it's, even though it's a lot of work, it is saving me tons and tons of work. It's nice to not have this cord. Like I said, it's not really all that heavy, although I am tired right now. Anyway, back at it. Just thought I'd tell you what's up. And this little buddy here actually does collect dust. As you see, there's not much more left in there. But actually, lots of dust came out of there. Like a collection of it. So, cool. That's even better. The environment, as I cough, right? The environment in here isn't too bad. I mean, I got the windows open, it's a little dusty. But it could be worse. I'm sanding the sides of walls. Battery is still going strong. Amazing. It's really cool. There it is. One battery.